Hello there and welcome back to another brand new video. Today's video I'll be demonstrating how to add transforms in CSS. So enough talk, let's get it. Okay, so what is transform in CSS? So the transform property applies to a 2D and 3D transformation to an element. This property allows you to rotate, scale, move and skew, etc. elements. So the transform property allows to make different dimensions. For example, you have different properties where you have transformation X, transformation Y, and transformation Z. So transformation allows to scale the value and the shape on below to an element that can have these movements to direct you into a different place, into a different way. So it can rotate, it can scale, it can move, depending on what element you use or any type of properties. So yeah, this is what transformation is. Okay, well, so in this video, let's create a div class where we'll create a box demonstration. So this is div class, put a container, and we'll say hello. Cool. This time, let's style the container, which obviously you call it box, but this is container. So yeah, let's style the container. There we go. Now we completed the circle. LOL. There we go. Now we completed the container design. So this time I'll be demonstrating how to use transforms. So there are different types of transforms, 2D transform variations. So number one, there is matrix, rotate, and scale. Let's try, for example, translate. Translate x to, we'll give it in the parentheses, give it to 20 pixels. There we go. So here's translate x. Right now the position now is moving. If we can do twice, let's do 20 pixels and do 20 pixels this time between it, say 50. Okay, so here's 20 pixels and translate, there is translate y, we'll say again 20 pixels, and there we go. The translate y goes below. It shows a different transformation that allows to move in the axes. So normally, for example, you have a bar chart where you have x axes and y axes. So the y axes are below and the x axes are on the right. So on the top, y, and then x is on the right. So let me repeat it again. So the x axis is horizontal, the y axis is vertical. So let's say if y axis is split to 50, it'll go below, it'll go vertical, which is 50 pixel, and for translate x, so the x axis will go to 100 pixels. Technically it should go horizontal. Okay, cool. So there is transform y, transform x. We can add another value to 20 pixels, and look, there we go. Now it's been changed into transform y into transform x because it's in a horizontal position. Let's say if we add 40 pixels this time, it'll come back to normal. And there, yeah, and there we go. I'm going to wrap up this video today. I'm going to do a part 2 where I will explain rotations, matrix, and more other properties in transformations. So you can get a deep understanding about these transformations and how they essentially work. So like and comment, and this is your boy Software Sensei. I'm out. Peace.